All right. Good morning, good evening, good day, or whatever it is there. Hope it is a good one. This is the Broken Investor coming at you. I am not a financial advisor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button for me. I'm not a financial advisor. But make sure you do that. I'm not going to tell you to pick this stock, buy this stock, buy that, another. Hey, you want a super deep analysis, go to somewhere else. I'm just telling you my opinion. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. In the description. So I tell you what I think. If these charts I'm showing you, the virus is not included with them, so the numbers are probably higher. If you go by what some people think the stock markets, who wins the election seats, if this is the case, it looks like Biden is going to win. If you notice, every time something negative was mentioned about stimulus check, the stocks dropped. Now the hold off of the stimulus check and an election happening, the stocks are dropping. There have been some wild fluctuations with the markets. If the stock market keeps dropping, it will be favoring Biden for president. You can look that up yourself. It'll show you. Comparing the stock market under President Trump and President Obama is what I was trying to do since somebody asked the question. When to start Trump's and Obama's stock market analysis is worth a bit of discussion because it's hard comparisons. You get virus from the side. And it's two different time periods. The first two charts are respectively January 20 inauguration date, which is the official date that the president takes the oath of office. A president can't implement any policies on the day which impacts the economy. But forward-looking, so it is reasonable to assume that the markets can react when the president is elected in early November. When the economy is undergoing tremendous disruptions, such as when Obama was elected, the Great Recession, no president can keep the stock markets from declining on a short-term basis. But some people don't know what that means. Trump's stock market returns versus Obama's. The first chart, you see right there, shows you gains for the Dow 30 in industries. Then Trump tends to tweet and talk about the S&P 500, which provides a broader view of the stock market. The first two start with inauguration dates. Since their inaugurations, the Dow is up 28% under Trump, and over the same time frame, it was up 62% under Obama. The figures are based on closing before the Dow fell an additional 1.4%. That's the first chart. For the first 3 years since Trump's inauguration, the S&P 500 has risen 30%, while under Obama increased 70%. Then chart number 2. The second set of chart, second chart, this is right there, starts the analysis based on election dates. Obama, for the low point of the stock market, the Dow has risen 39% since Trump's election, while under Obama, it increased 35% and 65% from the low point of February 2019. No, 2019. Note that in the same trading on Friday was a different. It increased 643 points. But if it closed, and it would have gained, Trump would have been 35%, matching Obama's, versus being ahead by 4% points. The Dow is an extreme oversold position with its RSI, relative strength index, in case you don't know that. In the upper portion of the chart, you see it. The Dow is going back. It's going to bounce back. If somebody has to tell you, baby, what to buy, not to buy. You want somebody to baby you, then you go somewhere else. Because people have been asking me questions like where to put the money and do this, that, and other. I am not going to tell you where to put it. Because I know I didn't lose any money. If you lost money, you didn't do your research. It's due for a bounce back. Well, I told you that, but it's going to come back. I told you. Somebody wasn't paying attention last time. Plus it might go down 200 more points, 100 more points. It might go 50 more points down. They're going to rise back up. So I hope you investing it mine's slow. The S&P 500 has risen 30% under Trump since its election, while under Obama it rose 36% and 103% from the low point in March 2009. The S&P 500 is also oversold with the RSI, Relative Strength Index, in case you don't know that, of 38.86, but not nearly as much as the Dow. It is closed above its 100-day moving average so far from a technical perspective. It is not as broken as the Dow, but I might have to break that down for somebody too. We're going to get back to more of this later.